You done sucking your toes? Do you know you're being recorded? Yeah. Yeah? Do we want to play our game for everybody? Where's Tara? There she is! Yeah. You gonna blow raspberries? No? Alright. Say bye. And then there's Max, whining. Ooh, does Max want to go somewhere? Do you want to go on vacation? Do you want to go for a walk? Bubby's? Do you want to go Bubby's? Ooh, there he goes. Who's here? Who's here? Woo, over to the window. What are you going to say? Are you going to say something? that was Max. Tara.